All right, so let's talk about bulk sending text messages and emails. Let's say you want to send just one email, one text. You want to get it out there to your lists. What you would do is you would first start in the CRM. If you're not there, click on contacts and it'll pull up all of your contacts. You want to sort it by what you want. So if you've got tags set up, you can sort it by, prospects or past customers, whatever tags you have there to identify them. And then what you'll do is you go through your list and select the people that you want to receive your email. You can do this one at a time. You can skip people if you want, or you can just click this and select all of them there. Now, it'll say you've selected 5 records or however many you've selected. And once you've done that, now you've got your list set up for what you're going to do. If you want to send a text, you would click send SMS. If you want to send an email, click send email. So in our case, let's just do a text real quick. It'll do a little drop down. It'll show all the people we're sending this to. We click OK. We type our message, and then we can send all at once at a scheduled time, or we can drip it out there to a couple of prospects over time. Once you're done setting that up, click send SMS, and it will send that out into the world. For email, you do the same thing, but you just click the send email button, click OK, type up your email, make sure you have a from name, from email, email subject. If you have templates, you can also use those. And then once you're done, you can send all at once, or you can drip it out and click send email. Now that's the fast, quick, dirty way to do it. If you want to send like a beautiful email out into the world, what you can do is click this email marketing tab. And you can actually go to create email, and it'll bring up the HTML emails. I typically recommend text emails just because they get delivered a little bit better. But if you want to send one that's got the HTML, it looks beautiful, having like blog entries and things like that, you can go through and find an email that would work for you. Or you can either start from scratch or import an HTML one as well. Now, once you find one that works, select it, and it'll give you the option to edit the information that's on there. You can go and add text, images. So if you want to add an image, you just go up here to image, drag it into your graphic there. You can replace it, remove it, just click on it, and then you can look in your media and find one or upload a picture there. So once you get that done, you can go through and do all the different ones here. You've got different layouts you can use. You can drag in like multiple columns. You can do all kinds of different things in this to make it look beautiful and be able to edit the content that you want. So once you've got your email ready to go, let's say this was finished, it looks good, or ready to go, you can click on settings and you can do the from name. So in my case, we'll do David Bussell. Whatever the website is. You can give it a subject line, something that would intrigue people to open it. And then you can do some preview text if you want. And you can also give it a template name. If you save this as a template, you can use this in future emails as well. Now, once you're done, click save. And then we can go over to send and schedule. So now it's time to select the contacts that we want. If we have smart lists set up, you can actually select the list that you want, or you can actually search contacts and you can add them in here if you want. You can also do all contacts by clicking the all contacts button there. If you want to do a smart list, let's say you have a list set up of prospects in a specific area or something like that, select the smart list and it will add them in. There we go. Now, then you've got some options to send now, schedule for later, or send in drip mode. Once you're done, click review and send. And what that'll do is that'll review the email, the information there, and you can blast it out into the world. Now, if you save this as a template, you can use this in other future blasts as well. So it's a good idea to create templates for different situations. I like to create them for all kinds of things like support emails and, prospecting emails and things like that, to where I build up this, whole template database where I can easily fire them out when needed. All right. So once you've got it there, review and send, and you're good to go.